How to fix Snapchat blurry camera. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Snapchat application over here. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Snapchat application. So we're gonna go back and then make a long press on Snapchat application and then tap on app info. So here just make sure that you have cleared all these cache files over here by tapping on clear data and then clear cache. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the camera option. So after that, go back and then you can just go and clean the camera over here on your device, and this might also help you fix your Snapchat blurry camera issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.